Hey everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show to make this online shopping animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So vectors from freepik.com, I will add the download link and project files. First step, let's select these list layers like this and right mouse, precoms, add name, list, click OK. Nice. Then select this background and lock layer. Select this background shape, go to effects presets, search effect wave warp. Select this wave warp, let's use for this background shape and change wave height 5 and wave width 18. Let's change wave height 7. Okay, nice. And lock background shape. Then go to here and select this comp, press P, make new position keyframe. Go to first second and move to right. Select keyframes and right mouse keyframe ascent, easy ease or F9. Go to graph editor, select these graphs and make smooth graph. Nice. Then select this by product background and these products. Let's see. Okay. Parent to this comp. Let's see again. Nice. Go to window, open animation composer and select these backgrounds, product backgrounds, and open this folder, scale, and let's use overshot scale. Nice. Then select these pins and move to right for smooth bones and select these products and this buy button, move to right. Let's see. Okay, select this product 2 and product 2 background, move to right, and this product 3, move to right. Let's see. Nice. Okay, let's select this product 1, product 2 and product 3. Open animation composer again. Go to effects presets, open this folder, to the layer and rotate. Okay, let's use this rotate. Let's see. Okay, select this product 3, change intensity 20. Let's see. Change 10. Let's see again. Okay, select this product 2, change intensity again 10, and product 1, change 10. Nice. And select these backgrounds. Again, go to animation composer. Let's use this overshot scale. Let's see. So, not bad. Nice. Okay, nice. Select this buy button, this yellow button, and use this overshot scale. Okay, move to this pin right. Okay, not bad. Then select this clock and press P, make new position keyframe. Go to here and move to left. Okay, and hold shift press T, make opacity keyframe, change 0. Go to here and change 100. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, right mouse, again easy ease. Go to graph editor and make smooth graph. Okay, select these graphs, move to left. Okay. Nice. And select this layer, white clock, parent to this main clock. Okay. And go to palm behind, move to anchor point to center. And press R, make rotation, move to first keyframe, this rotation, and change rotation 1. Let's see. Okay. Move to right, this keyframe. Maybe this is not good animation. Let's close this rotation keyframe. And like this. Okay. Then select this back 3, back 2 and back 1. Press P. In this time, make new position keyframe. Go to here and move to left. Select keyframes, right mouse, keyframe assistant, easy is. Go to graph editor, select graph, make again smooth graph. Let's see. Okay. Select this back 3, move to right, and this back 1, move to here. Let's see. Okay. Nice. And select this box. Go to solo and go to palm behind, move to anchor point down. And select this box 2, go to solo, move to anchor point, again down. And go to again animation composer, select this box and box 2. Let's use overshot scale. Let's see. Okay. Move to right, this tear in. Okay, let's unsolo and select this box. Move to right. Let's see. So, not bad. Select this red background. Again, use overshot scale and select this back. Let's use this rotation. Change intensity 15. Okay, and select this red background. Move to in right. And select this background, parent to this red background. Okay, select these 2 layers, move to right. Okay, nice. And select this list, let's open composition. And select this list layer. Let's use overshot scale. Like this. And select these circles. Use again overshot scale. Okay. Like this. Okay, nice. So select these lines, move the anchor point left, and this. Hold shift for move right. Okay, nice. Then select these L layers and use overshot scale. Let's see. Okay. Move to right these in points. Okay. And let's make okay like this. And select these lines, move to right. Okay, move to left. Nice. And select this button, use overshot scale, and move to right this in. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's close list composition and move to right. Okay, not bad. Not bad. So thank you for watching my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.